The extraordinary burn. Today marks a historic milestone for World Reserve crypto. The project's creator has burned 150 million WRC, leaving just 850 million in circulation. The original 2025 plan included the burn of only 50 million tokens. This move triples that target in advance, showing a clear commitment to strengthening the token's value. A proof of transparency. Right now, the creator's wallet holds just 135 million of World Reserve crypto. This is the strongest proof of what has been stated since day one. World Reserve crypto does not belong to its creator. It belongs to the community. This is a project built for the long term, with fair, transparent distribution and on-chain accountability. Accelerated burn plan. The original burn program was designed to last 5 years. Now, it's been shortened to just 3 years. The goal? Reduce the total supply to 500 million WRC. This means availability will decrease steadily. There won't be enough for everyone. Only those who believe from the beginning will fully benefit from the long-term vision. Price growth. Since launch. Since March 2025, the month WRC was listed, the token has grown by 58.16%, going from 0.00600 to 0.00949. An important milestone, but just the beginning. The project is gaining credibility, visibility, and global support, a growing community. The number of wallets holding WRC increases daily. That means the community is expanding. More and more people are recognizing the project's potential. This is no longer just a concept, it's becoming a movement. Every token burned increases scarcity. Every new supporter strengthens the future of World Reserve crypto. Final call. The time is now. If you want to be part of something big, this is the moment to get involved. World Reserve crypto is here to stay. Are you already part of it?